Thank you, Carl. Welcome, everyone. So glad to see everyone, to see this many people. A while back, I was approached by a young man, and he was the one that suggested I feed the people. He's here tonight, Stevie. One of my strongest supporters, I guess. He suggested that I feed the people, and it's important that it's important to our physical health to have that food, but it's also important in terms of feeding the people spiritually. So some of what you're seeing tonight is part of that spiritual nurturing, I guess. So I want to thank Ryan and Stevie, for bringing this forward. Ryan for helping us here tonight, and Stevie for bringing this forward. And for many of you who don't know, this is my significant other, my beautiful wife, Christine. Many of you might not also know that since I got into office, we've lived apart. So I was able to see her every couple months. So now she sees me just about every weekend. She's moved to Winnipeg, a little closer to home. But even that was hard for us to do. But we believe in the work that we've always believed in the work that we do. The work that I do for you, the people, and that's why tonight was important. It's important for me to give back to the people. And I have a lot of, I don't want to be up here all night, but I do have some individuals that I would like to thank. So I've kind of written them down. So I'll just be a few more minutes. First of all, I want to thank everyone who donated food, who helped with the cooking, and the organization of this dinner. Sharon Wilson and her sister Christine, Cynthia, Kathy, Donna, Bob and Joy, Bruce and Val, Dennis and Faye, Scott, Cam, Kathy, Janai, and my family members who also supported my extended family, the Bird family, also assisted. And I just want to acknowledge my wife at this time. She's important to the work that I'm able to try to do for the community. It is long hours, but she's been very understanding, especially being that far away. But even more so now, she says, if you got to do it, you got to go. Even though we might have something planned. And so she always supports me that way. And more importantly, she's always there when doubt creeps in. Sometimes I wonder if I'm doing things the right way, the honorable way. So she talks to me about things like that, and I really appreciate that. My children, if I can call them up, Jaushko and Bailey are here. Where's Emily? Emily? My son is on his way. One of my daughters is not here. My grandson, Mylan, come on up. This is my medicine, my grandson. So when I have really hard days and I go home, who's waiting for me? My grandson. So I call him my medicine. I ask him where his medicine is, he always goes like this, eh? So these are my children. Jaushko Benes is my youngest daughter, Bailey. She's the second oldest, Emily being the oldest. One of my daughters is out of the country, not on band funds. She's been away for a couple of months. And my son should be arriving shortly. And I also want to say that the work that I do is for my grandsons, Mylan and Miguel. It's the reason I do the work that I do, because I want something here for them. I want something not only for my grandchildren, but your grandchildren, their children, and their children's children. We have to think about that. I'm getting up in age, as many people here are, and we have to start thinking about our children. What are we leaving behind? And so that's really important. I also want to thank Mrs. Manningway. I don't know if she's here tonight. Where is she?
Right there.
Oh, there she is, Mrs. Manningway. She's very kind to me, but she also gives me a heck when I need it. Thank you, Mrs. Manningway. To my good friend Cal, I asked that you say a prayer for Cal. Cal's been sick for a while now, but he has a fighting spirit. So I ask that you say prayers for him. Cal has been very influential in terms of his guidance and the knowledge that he brings, the knowledge that he shared with me. Also to Doug and Tracy, who often go beyond their responsibilities for their work. I often say to Tracy, well, I'm not sure if this is in your job description. So she does a lot of things for me other than work, but it helps me through my work. And finally, I want to thank you. I want to thank each and every one of you for your understanding, for those late night texts I get asking about how I'm doing. Are you taking care of yourself? Are you eating properly? I'm eating better now since my wife come home. But I've even had offers of stopping over for dinner, and I really appreciate that. It's my son Billy. So I really appreciate that, because as much as people think that I take care of you through the work that I do, you also take care of me, and you do that by simply asking, "How is your day? Are you sleeping all right?" And that means a lot. So tonight, membership, ladies and gentlemen, tonight is for you. I want to honor you. We have a lot of food here. We have moose, as Carl said, deer, bison, pickerel, wild rice, muscat tea. And tonight there's nothing political. No politics tonight. Only appreciation and gratitude. And also the belief, if I did political just for 25 words or less, it's the belief that we have a shared vision for our community, and that the growth and development of our community is through your participation, through your involvement, and through your decision making. That's really how we're going to move forward as a community. Our community has to be involved, and I appreciate your involvement. Doesn't matter how ugly it gets sometimes, but maybe we got to go through that to get where we need to go. So I'll stop there. I think that was 26 words. But thank you again for being here. We have a lot of food. There is going to be a process, I guess, for us to eat. We want to feed our elders first. So we have, I'm actually going to call up the young men. Do we have any young men in here? Oliver Cameron? Do we have any young men? Do we have any young women? Is the young man stepping forward? I'm going to ask these individuals to serve our elders. I'm going to turn it over to Carl. He'll explain the process. So our elders will be served first. And also we have the band here, Band of Brothers. We're going to be in for some good entertainment. We have some things happening throughout the night. So let's party. Thank you very much, Chief. Okay, so what we're doing right now then is we're asking young people to... I really want us to feed the elders first. I see everyone lighting up. Our elders have to eat first. Our elders have to eat first. Christmas dinner. And I could never make it. And I felt really bad about that, especially when Tub became sick. And this is his wife here, Dean, and your granddaughter. Yeah, so Tubby Oates would always invite me, and when I thought of tonight, I wanted to honor Tubby Oates by inviting his band. He said it was his band. So this is the band is Tubby Oates' idea.
That makes sense.
Dr. Glennis Bird. Glennis graduated. She graduated on November the 21st. Glennis is a medical doctor, and her mother is Velma Sutherland, and her dad was the late Glenn Bird. She's the granddaughter of Garda Sutherland. And she started off here in school back in the day. She went to nursery, kindergarten. She went to the lower grades here in the community, and then her family moved off the reserve. But Dennis went to the University of Manitoba and just recently graduated. She's now a doctor working in Winnipeg right now. But I hope someday she'll come home, man. We're so proud of her. Let's give her a big hand, okay? Dr. Dennis Bird. That stands niece, But you know what? Stan never mentioned too. We have another doctor. So hurry up, you guys, eat fast. Okay, the band is on stage. They're all ready to go. Look at those cool guys up there, right? But right now, I just want to just briefly tell you about what's going to happen now. Some of the people are still eating, so we're going to start off with just a small dance area right now, just to show you. This is my friend Clementine here, and she has the golden bag. And in that bag are envelopes. Show us one there. Money or a gift card. You're not going to know what it is. You're going to put your hand in there if you're on the right spot, and you will take one. She will give you one. Again, we thank those families for donating and making this happen tonight. It's going to be all time tune. They'll go to a couple, each will pick an envelope. Just imagine what you can do with that. You can go double up in the slots afterwards. Anna's all ready to go. Let's go. Okay, spot dancing. Let's go.
Clementine, don't move, don't move. Okay, I believe it's Dalton's case. So you watch if they have fancy steps like their late Mushu Mervyn Wilson. Okay, look at him, it's just like he's Mushu Mervyn. Okay. Spot dance. Oh, more time music, more time, more time. Here's a good one. Let's go! Don't move, don't move. Don't move.
Oh, right here. Envelope. Okay, an envelope.
There's two there. I'll get one.
Okay.
Clementine also has she has a special dancer too. When
money
she
or a
comes
card?
back here.
I just.
What's his name?
All right, got it. Oh, good.
Anthony.
on.
This is Anthony dancing with his woman and his baby. I mean, that's so cool, man. He can't even dance.
That is easy.
Clementine said, look at him go, Mariah. He's good, man. And we have Blake Irvin Wilson's grandkids there. Come here, my girl. Come here, my boy. She's gonna give you something. One each. I think we're going to try to move these two tables here. We need a little bit more room. Okay, just call up your chairs and move to another one.
Okay.